Okay, this is my first crop of flat leaf spinach. Some things I like about it, I've got to do some adjustment. I found out some new information today, so of course this is plenty of it's going to be good for salads, but I think I got a way of making them a little more productive. I got one plant back there in the back is not doing very well, and another is not as green as I like. The others are dark green, which is that's going to be plenty. Now here's why we call this lettuce. Of course, this is a Merlot lettuce, my favorite, red Merlot, and this is why it's called cut and come again lettuce. Okay, so you can see there's 8 plants in here, and tomorrow I have got to harvest it. The outer leaves, the lower leaves, the big ones, and I'll probably harvest them in their lifetime probably about 5-6 times. What I just showed you was my latest crop of red Merlot. Now, these are my old plants. These are the ones, they've got another harvest in them. Leaves, there's on the left there is the Butter Crunch bib lettuce. I've got 2 of those plants left. I didn't grow as many of them, or plant as many of them this time. And then there's one that's real tall there in the back. That's supposed to be Merlot, but somehow it got a little pollen from some more of an upright standing plant when in the seed. So sometimes you get these little surprises. But anyway, tomorrow is big salad day, and for a good reason.